Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect the Xbox controller to your iPad 9. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your controller is Bluetooth, and then go into settings and press on Bluetooth, and on your controller press down on the Xbox logo and hold down on the Bluetooth button until it shows up in settings. And this step will take a total of about 10 to 15 seconds, but once it shows up in settings, just press on it, and now it'll be connected to your iPad. Now a couple things to keep in mind is that the Xbox 360 controller does not work with the iPad, and on top of that, it can only play certain games using the Xbox controller. Now if you want to disconnect the Xbox controller from your iPad, the easiest way to do this is just to press down on this Xbox logo until it turns off, and this step should take a total of about 10 seconds. And once 10 seconds have passed by, you'll see that the controller has been turned off. Now that is it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.